What's going on, everyone? Call me an Uber here. And today we're going to try and fix the Wi-Fi on the other side of the house. We have Comcast, and our internet on this side of the house is really good. Great Wi-Fi and no problems. But on the other side, the upstairs and downstairs is just awful. You can't watch Netflix or anything. It won't load anything. So we went down to Comcast and we got the xFi pods. There's 3 of them in a pack, and I think it came out to about $130 for the whole set. You can get the 3-pack or the 6-pack, and they say all you need is your app and, of course, the internet, and you just plug them into any outlet, and it connects through the app to your router, and it gives you kind of like a mesh Wi-Fi setup. So we're going to try and set those up today, and we'll see if we get some better internet. So here are the xFi pods from Xfinity, the 3-pack. It's got a nice looking box here. And it says, with xFi pods, you can get self-optimizing network that adapts to your home. Maximize the Wi-Fi coverage in your home. Manage your connection with the Xfinity xFi app. So that's pretty cool. It's got a nice little pull tab here. And it looks like on the back it says designed with love in Philadelphia. So let's go ahead and open these. It's a nice little box there. Looks like it's got like some felt material on it. And these here are your xFi pods, which just plug into the electrical outlet. And on the bottom here, I believe it's an Ethernet connection. So if you have these plugged in somewhere, I think you can plug in an Ethernet cable and then plug it into your device. And then I believe this is probably just some instructions. xFi pods important information, and a get started little pamphlet here. Okay, so I'm going to figure out the best placement for these in my house and kind of set it up, and I'll take you guys along. Okay, so here is the like Wi-Fi extender that we have now. It's I don't even know what this one is. Amped wireless, I think. And it did alright for a while, but now it just seems to not be working at all. So this is where we're going to set up our first pod. Okay, so we're just going to put our first pod right there. That's how it looks plugged in. So it's not really a big eyesore like the other one with the big antenna sticking out. It's not really in the way. And it has that little blinking light on it. So let's go set up the other two. This is our second spot that we're setting this up at. And let's do the last one. And here is our last spot for the last xFi pod. So now we'll go back up and try and set them all up with the app. Okay, so now we're on the xFi app. And we're going to click more and add device, Xfinity device, and right away we're seeing the xFi gateway and the new xFi pods. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Say hello to your new xFi pods. Setup should take less than 10 minutes. Please enable Bluetooth on your mobile device before you begin. So that's already on, so we're just going to get started here. Plug in a pod. So we're a couple steps early, we already plugged them in, and hopefully we got them set up in a nice area where it's going to get a good proximity, I guess, of Wi-Fi around here. Plugged in, ready to go. Allow xFi to access this device location. We're just going to do it while using the app. Hold your phone close to the first pod. within 6 inches. Connecting the first pod. Nice. Use the remaining 2, so let's go do those. And next, keep pods clear for me. All pods ready to go. So it's all going. Okay, so the first one's good. Okay, so it looks like all 3 of them finally are online, connected, and ready to go. So we're just gonna go through here and name the pods, like hallway, downstairs, upstairs, and I'll try and connect some devices down there, and I'll be back with the review on how it works. Okay, so I just finished setting up the xFi pods. Very simple. You just have to have Comcast internet, and you plug them into the wall, follow the app, very simple. Just tested it out on our TV downstairs. Before, just awful. We couldn't load anything. And now I loaded Netflix, Hulu, a couple of things on there, and it worked great. So if you're having bad Wi-Fi or just real spotty places in your house, definitely go down Comcast, pick these up. They come in the 3-pack or the 6-pack. And it's going to make your life a lot better. Thanks for watching.